Hello, welcome to another video. Last video, we learned how to make a simple circuit using a light bulb, a resistor, some wires, and the Arduino. Today, we'll be learning how to manipulate that circuit using the Arduino and its code. Hopefully, by the end of this episode, you can make something like this. A light bulb that turns on and on by itself. First, we need to make the circuit. For this, I'll be using the breadboard, the Arduino, an LED light bulb, and a 220 ohms resistor. You can use any types of resistor. I'm just using a 220 since it's only one light bulb. You'll also need some wires. To start off, connect one wire to pin number 2, right here, and the other one to the ground. Okay, then we can start assembling it. Make sure the long side of the LED is on the positive end. And your circuit should is something similar to this, with the 2 pin going to the positive and the ground going to the negative. After that, we'll start learning how to code. Okay, so first you want to open the Arduino application. You can get this from the official Arduino website. Once on there, you'll start up with this. I've already named the document Simple Blink, so from here we just need to set up our code. In the setup, first we have to do is type pin mode to output. What this does is it tells the Arduino that pin number 2 will be outputting information or outputting code. Next, what we need to do is type digital write to high. What this will do is it will just turn the pin number, it will just give high number of voltage to pin number 2 and just turn the light bulb on. So that's another way of turning the light bulb on, but we want to turn it on and off. So we'll do the same thing, but this time low. And we'll verify and make sure that your Arduino is actually connected to your computer through the cable. We'll upload. It will upload and it will tell you if there's any errors. If it doesn't upload, what you could do is go to Tools and Port and check that it's connected to the Arduino. Anyways, now you might try this and you'll notice that either your light bulb stays on or won't turn on at all. And this is because it's doing this at really fast speeds and it's turning it on and off really quickly and you can't see it. So what we want to do is add some delay. So it's simple as that, just delay and 1,000, 10,000 I mean. Yeah, no, 1,000 is 1 second. So if we want to just have it on for 1 second, off for 1 second, we can just do this. So let's verify and upload, and you might see your light bulb turn on and off. And you can tweak with the numbers. If you change the pin number, maybe you want to change it to 3, you can do that here. And also you can change the delay. Maybe you want to have it every half a second it changes. So that's all for the coding part of this episode. Next time we'll go into more complicated code and also how to make your code more efficient. As you can see, this is hopefully what you want to get after you enter your code. Next episode, we'll try making things more complex, having multiple lines of codes with multiple LEDs and trying to make patterns and interesting ways of using the Arduino to make something complicated. Thank you very much. Tune in for the next video.